Hey gang, what's going on? Uncle Travis coming to you from the Kingston Springs area today for a fun, unique little one-day transformation of an existing water feature that had kind of the pile of rock look to the waterfall, and we added a skimmer as well. The homeowner moved in here about a year ago and the water feature hasn't run. They weren't quite sure what the waterfall was going to look like. As you can see, it's kind of just it ended up being kind of a pile of rocks with a hose in it. So we came in, took all those rocks out and put in a 2500 Biofalls, and then gave it the JVI Aquascape treatment as far as the waterfall goes. And then we added a 400 skimmer on the opposite side to get a proper skim and a proper draw, and to get all those leaves from the pin oak trees that are in the yard during the fall leaf season.
We decided we wanted something more exciting and aesthetically pleasing. They first came out just initially to clean the pond out. I had hundreds upon hundreds of tadpoles attached to my liner, and they told me it was a perfect environment for a swamp. I highly recommend them. They were a little more expensive than other companies that we had looked at, but the price far exceeds any expectation that I had. I feel like that it was reasonable and they were so easy to work with. I love the waterfall. I didn't have one before. And just the sound of the water is so peaceful and pleasing to me. Well, I continue to work with them and get their advice about the plants to put around my pond. And I just really enjoy even the communications that I have with Secret Garden, and I highly recommend them for anybody in the Nashville area.
There you have it, gang. One-day transformation from sort of a pile of rocks into a little more sleek, efficient design with the 2500 Biofalls for filtration and a skimmer to get those pesky leaves out of your pond. I'm gonna get ready for the next one. In the meantime, what you can do is like, share, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comments section what you want to see us do in your yard. Uncle Trav, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.